Alright guys, so we're going to test and tune today with the car. The best pass it's made so far is a 12.80 at 115 with a 199 60 foot. Just a little backstory of what we've done since then. We put the C4 3-speed transmission in it since I blew up the T5. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch that. We did a battery relocation kit to the trunk, and we've done about 100 pounds of weight reduction with some poly seats in there, back seat delete, stuff like that. So that's the main things we've done to the car. I plan on having drag radials here for this car. They've been on order for about a month right now. It didn't happen. So today we just ordered some slicks instead. They're not going to be in, obviously. So those will be hopefully next week. We'll test and tune with those. It'd be really neat to see what the C4 transmission does, along with the battery relocation kit with my times. I think they'll greatly improve. Obviously that street tire is going to be against me on launches, but next week we'll have the slicks. So without further ado, I'm going to get this car ready to go, and we're going to hit the track. So see you there. Alright guys, so we're about to make the first pass in the car. I do have just 25-inch tall tires, so I don't know if with the gearing in the rear, if we're going to actually make it to the quarter mile with a decent low RPM. But we're going to let it off the line real easy, just to make sure I don't, nothing really weird happens. So we're almost there, so let's see what it does. So, as you can see there, I launched it okay off the line, but it's spun in first, or in second and third, so that wasn't good. So, try something new next time. Guys, second pass, number 2. Let's see what it does. Maybe launch it a little harder, and let's see what it does. I didn't spin like I did before, so I think I heated the tires up enough. We might try to leave on 2-step this next pass. Not sure, but let me look at the time slip and see what it looks like. That was a good one though. Right lane. 1182. 124. Woo! Alright guys, so we're going to try to launch at 2400 RPMs and on 2-step, and we're going to see if it sticks. If it sticks, then I think it's going to be a good pass. That 1182 at 124 last pass, we'll see what this pass does. Guys, here we go. 2400 RPM launch. No launch retard. spin off the launch. I caught it, but we'll see what it did. 1245 at 121. The brakes almost didn't hold the 2400 RPM launch, so I'm gonna pull some timing out of it at the launch, and I'm gonna look at video, see where I spun at, and then we'll pull some timing out of where it spun and go from there, see what happens. Alright guys, so we're going out for our last hit. We're gonna launch at 2400 RPMs still. We have a launch retard on, so from 1 to 1.6 seconds it's gonna pull 7 degrees of timing, then down to 5 degrees, and then to 0 at 1.6. That should help our spinning issue, because before we spun before the 60 foot, so we're gonna see how that does and see what happens. Hopefully you guys can see the gauges. I'm not sure with this GoPro setup if you can see them, but we're gonna hit it one more time before we drive home. We already hit our personal best with 1182 at 124, so not even angry. We are going to be putting slicks on it next week, so I think it's going to get so much faster and see what the car can really do. So. Alright guys, so not really what I wanted. Spun mid-track again. Maybe not good enough burnout. I don't know. So, we'll see. Alright guys, so we're out of here. Made 4 passes. Best was 1182 at 124, which is knocked almost a total second off my time from last season. And this is the first test on tune. So we're going home in one piece. Slicks hopefully next week. So keep watching the channel for installing those. So the car lives another day after the track. So thanks for watching, and see you later.